So 100 million, what are you going to do with it?
First of all, we're going to build a team. We're going to expand into Europe, where we have already our existing clients.
25 clients at least, right?
We have more than 25 leading retailers in our portfolio, and we're expecting to have a few more big announcements in the next couple of months. Of course, we're going to come to the UK. We're going to open our first farm right here in Old Street, so the UK citizens also can enjoy InFarm produce. I think a big part of this round is really to start and think about how we can bring InFarm and build a global company, expanding also to the US and into Asia, building the relationships. And yeah, we are very excited about this.
Remind us, tell us, how is InFarm different from normal agriculture?
Well, first of all, we are probably the only company in the world integrating farms directly into the supermarkets. We are farming directly in the food and vegetable aisles, providing premium fresh produce at affordable prices. And this is key because we want to not just cater for the 1%, we also want to bring the quality, healthy produce that we can cultivate with our advanced modular farming units to everyone. And each and every farm is plug and play. You can connect it to the cloud directly and remotely control it through our command room in our HQ. We are faster into the market. We just started to execute Q4 last year, and now we are just pushing more than 50 farms every quarter. And with this investment, we're going to ramp up to 300, 500 farms a quarter. So we're very, very fast into the market. And while we're building a consumer-facing brand, and this is super important for us to be in front of the end consumer, to interact with them, to engage with them, and to show them why there is value in such technologies for them.
So, Erez, with the technology, with the farms, with the actual facilities themselves, how do you scale that up in a linear fashion without the cost sort of getting out of control or sort of getting out of whack with what you can sell the end product for?
I think it's a very good question. We thought about it thoroughly, about how we can make a very big company without spending a lot of money on the CapEx side of things. So one way to do this is we have the modular farming units, which we can deploy instantly, literally everywhere, right? And we know our cost. We know how to bring the cost significantly. So just by partnering with two of the leading companies in the world, if it's for vending machine or interlogistic companies, we can reduce cost by half already beginning of next year. So our eyes is all the time on the cost of the farms themselves, but when you start to use software, and this is very important for us, we can start to look on each and every plant and start to understand how much it consumes in terms of resources, in terms of energy, in terms of the nutrients, and we know exactly how to start and optimize the cost per plant, reducing cost per plant, while increasing quality, increasing the biodiversity, increasing the output per square meter. Yeah.